Sales pipeline in Notion sounds good, but if I tell you that you can integrate your Notion and Gmail pretty easily, then this thing becomes even better. I'll show you how. Here I have a template for a sales pipeline in Notion. Basically, it consists of a couple of databases, a couple of views. One of the main databases that we have here is the one for accounts. So in accounts, we are tracking basically all of our potential customers, potential deals, and we have various information related to them, from status, account name, contact person, potential value, to, I will just open one to see, for you to see the exact details of how much information you can actually have here. So for each of the accounts, we have the basic data, and we have the related messages, we have the meetings, we have the tasks. Now, how do you actually get those related messages here? You do it via automation, via Relay app, and via Relay app, you connect Gmail to Notion. I'll show you just in a bit. To go back to the sales pipeline, here, this is the accounts database, couple of views just to make it easier for you to keep track of everything. And besides the accounts, we also have the communications database. That's the one that's being filled from Gmail, or manually, if you would like to enter some messages here, you can also do that. Or we can also connect your form that's on your website to receive inquiries from your customers directly here to Notion. Another thing that we have here is a meetings database and a tasks database, just to keep track of all the tasks and meetings. Some placeholders for a process guide always comes in handy. And in the end, we also have the reports. So for example, now with the new charts, you can easily see how many closed deals you have per lead source, per industry, per stage, per account owner, and so on. Possibilities are almost endless. I won't say endless, but close. So this is the sales pipeline. And this is also the board view, where you can see basically in what stage, how many accounts, what the total amount is, and so on. I created some formulas for you to see when was the last contact. Was it an ingoing message or outgoing? So it also helps you know when you actually need to contact someone again. But another thing that I wanted to show you is how you can actually create that connection between your Gmail and Notion. My idea here was to make it as simple as possible. So here is my test Gmail account. The first thing that I've done here, I've created a label called Forward to Notion. So for any email that I would like to go to my Notion database for communications in sales pipeline, I just add the Forward to Notion label. Simple as that. What happens next is the Relay app takes over, and whenever a label is added in my Gmail, then a page is found in my communications database where message ID is the one that should be, and then if this page is empty, you add a new page, and so on. So basically, this whole setup is not that complicated. I will create another tutorial on how exactly do each of these steps. So keep in mind that this is still to follow, but this is basically it. Once you set this up, you see not that many steps here, then every time you add a label in your Gmail, a message will come to your communications database, and it will also get related to the exact account it has to be related to if the email matches to the email that's already entered into that account. So pretty nice, I would say. That's the general overview. If you have any questions on details, do let me know. I hope you find this useful, and I wish you a nice day. Thank you.